So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a question from JEE Advanced 2022, which is from the paper 1, and it is from the organic chemistry part. And in this question what has been asked is, if the reaction sequence given below is carried out with the 15 moles of acetylene, the amount of product D formed in the gram is. So this is acetylene, it is reacting with the iron tube at red hot. We are getting A as a product with 80% yield, and when it react with the this molecule, we get the B as a product with a 50% yield, and after that O2 H3O plus is reacted. There is a removal of the acetone, and we get the C as a product with 50% yield. And after that, when the acyl chloride is reacted in the presence of pyridine, we get the D with the 100% yield. So how to do this question? Let us start this question. What will happen is, when the three molecules of acetylene reacts in the presence of iron tube, red hot iron tube, we will get the benzene. So we have 15 moles of this, and we are getting the 80% yield. After that, when this compound will react with this benzene, we will get the cumin. So this is cumin B, which is with the 50% yield. After that, when the O2 H3O plus is reacted, we will get the product phenol with the product with the 50% yield. So C will be the product which with the 50% yield. After that, when the acyl chloride is reacted with this phenol, we will get the acylation at the oxygen, and we will get the D product with the 100% yield. So if you calculate the molar mass of this D product, we will get the 136 gram per mole. So 136 gram per mole is the molar weight of this D. Now if you see here, the A has a number of moles, 15 moles when react, it will give A, and we will know that the 3 moles gives the 1 mole. If 3 moles is giving 1 mole, then 15 moles will give the 15 by 3. So 15 by 3 is 5 moles. So we'll get the 5 moles of the product A, but as it has the yield of 80%, so 80% of 5 is 4 moles. So we will get the 4 moles of A. Now after this, if you see here, 1 mole of benzene will give the 1 mole of cumin. That means the 1 mole should form, but because the yield is the 50%, that's why we have to calculate the 50% of 4 moles. So 50% of 4 moles is 2 moles. So 2 moles of B should be formed, as it has 80% yield. A has 80% yield, and B has the 50% yield. That's why in case of this, we have multiplied 4 by 5, and in this case we have multiplied 1 by 2. That's why the value becomes 2 for the B. Now after that, if you see here, 1 mole of cumin will give the 1 mole of phenol. So 1 mole of phenol should form, and we have the cumin as the 2 moles. So 2 moles cumin will give the 2 moles of phenol, but because it also has the 50% yield, that's why we have to multiply it with 1 by 2. So when we multiply 2 with the 1 by 2, we will get the 1 moles of C. Now after that, when this phenol will react with the acyl chloride, we will get the D as a product, and this D product is having the 100% yield. That means that 1 mole of this C will form 1 mole of D. The complete 1 mole of the D will be formed. Now the molar weight we have calculated is 136 gram per mole of the D. That's why when we multiply the molar weight of this D with the moles of the D, we will get the molar given weight as the 136 gram. So 136 gram of D should be formed. So the answer should be 136 gram. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you understand the solution. If you have any doubt or query, you can freely ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.